Are you tired of struggling with loose clamps that slip or break in the middle of your woodworking projects? If you want strong, reliable, and easy-to-use bar clamps that give you a perfect grip every time, you're in the right place. In this video, we're reviewing the top 5 best bar clamps for woodworking that will make your work easier, faster, and more precise. Whether you're a professional carpenter, a DIY enthusiast, or a hobbyist, the right bar clamps can make all the difference in your projects. We've tested and selected the best performing clamps on Amazon, from heavy-duty steel clamps to quick-adjust mini clamps. These clamps are built to last, easy to use, and offer unbeatable grip strength for all your woodworking needs. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on our latest tool reviews. Check the description box and the first comment below for direct links to all the products mentioned in this video. These are the best deals available right now, so grab yours before they sell out. Now let's get started with our first pick for the best bar clamps for woodworking. Cotto Bar Clamps Pack. The Cotto Bar Clamps Pack is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a strong, durable, and affordable set of bar clamps for woodworking. Made from reinforced steel, these clamps provide superior grip strength that ensures your materials stay securely in place, whether you're working on a small craft or a large woodworking project. The ergonomic handle offers a comfortable and non-slip grip, making it easier to apply the necessary pressure without straining your hands. Its quick-release trigger allows fast and smooth adjustments, helping you to save time and work more efficiently. Unlike cheap alternatives, these clamps won't bend, slip, or break under pressure, making them perfect for gluing, edge clamping, and securing delicate materials. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned carpenter, these clamps offer a perfect balance of affordability and performance. If you want a reliable set of bar clamps that can handle multiple woodworking tasks, Cotto Bar Clamps Pack is a must-have in your toolbox. Check the link in the description to grab yours today. IRWin Quick Grip Mini Bar Clamps. For those working on small-scale woodworking projects, the IRWin Quick Grip Mini Bar Clamps are a game changer. These compact yet powerful clamps provide up to 140 pounds of clamping force, making them ideal for crafts, furniture repairs, and light-duty woodworking tasks. The one-handed trigger release makes adjustments incredibly easy, so you can tighten or loosen the clamps with minimal effort. The high-strength resin construction ensures durability while remaining lightweight and easy to maneuver, perfect for those who need precision without bulkiness. What sets these clamps apart is their non-marring pads, which protect delicate surfaces from scratches, making them an excellent choice for softwoods, painted surfaces, and fragile materials. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional carpenter, these mini clamps are essential for quick, secure, and damage-free clamping. Get yours now by checking the link in the description. WorkPro Bar Clamps. If you're looking for a complete set of reliable bar clamps, the WorkPro Bar Clamps 6-pack is the ultimate solution for all your woodworking needs. This set includes 6 heavy-duty clamps, making it perfect for professionals and hobbyists who need multiple clamps for large-scale projects. The steel-reinforced bars offer exceptional clamping force, keeping materials firmly in place without slipping. These clamps are designed for easy operation, thanks to their quick-release trigger, which allows for fast adjustments and improved efficiency. The soft grip handle ensures comfortable use, even during long hours of woodworking, reducing strain on your hands. These clamps work perfectly for cabinet making, gluing, and assembling large wooden panels, providing a secure and stable grip that prevents shifting and warping. If you want versatility, durability, and maximum clamping power in one package, the WorkPro Bar Clamps set is a must-have for your workshop. Click the link in the description to order yours today. Horace D Woodworking Clamp Set. When it comes to heavy-duty woodworking, the Horace D Woodworking Clamp Set delivers exceptional strength and durability. These clamps are built with industrial-grade steel bars, offering superior clamping force that can handle even the toughest woodworking projects. Whether you're working on furniture building, cabinetry, or large wood panels, these clamps provide maximum stability and precision. The smooth trigger release makes adjustments quick and effortless, while the ergonomic grip handle ensures comfortable use. Unlike cheaper alternatives, the Horace D clamps won't bend or flex, maintaining a tight, even hold for flawless results. If you want professional-grade bar clamps that deliver high-performance clamping without compromise, the Horace D Woodworking Clamp Set is a solid investment. Check the description below for the best deal available. When Quick Adjust Steel Bar Clamps. For those who prioritize speed and ease of use, the When Quick Adjust Steel Bar Clamps are the best option. These clamps feature a high-carbon steel rail, providing maximum durability and superior clamping force for all types of woodworking tasks. What sets them apart is their quick adjust mechanism, allowing you to slide the clamp head into place instantly, eliminating the hassle of manually twisting or tightening. The soft rubber grips offer excellent comfort, making them perfect for extended woodworking sessions. Whether you're gluing, framing, or assembling wooden pieces, these clamps ensure precise, secure, and slip-free clamping. If you want a fast, reliable, and long-lasting bar clamp, the Quick Adjust steel bar clamps are a perfect addition to your tool collection. Click the link in the description to grab yours before they sell out. Here you have it, the top 5 best bar clamps for woodworking that you should definitely check out. Whether you're working on a DIY home project, professional cabinetry, or detailed woodworking, choosing the right bar clamp can make a world of difference in efficiency and precision. Now, we want to hear from you. Which of these bar clamps do you think is the best fit for your projects? Have you used any of them before? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. We love hearing your experiences. Don't forget to check the description box and the first comment for the product links so you can grab your favorite clamps at the best price available today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest product reviews. We bring you expert recommendations, honest reviews, and the best tools to take your woodworking to the next level. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy woodworking!